Problem 5, you're going to use the less than, equal to, or greater than sign to compare the pairs of numbers. So remember, the symbols that you're using are either greater, hold on, sorry, let me get my pencil. You're going to either use the less than, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Hopefully this will work. Okay, you're going to use the less than symbol, the equal to symbol, or the greater than. So these are your alligators, and remember, your alligator always wants to eat the greatest number because they are super hungry. Or if your amounts are the same, if they are equal, you're going to write an equals in the circle. So you'll either write a alligator going that way, or an alligator going the other way, or an equals. I'm going to erase that one though so I don't confuse you. Okay, so A, you have 69 and 79. B, you have 15 and 50. C, you have 99 and 101. D, you have 110 and 108. And then your last one, E, you have 61 and 5 10s, 11 ones. Make sure you're using these symbols inside of the circle to compare. Alligator always wants to eat the greatest number.